Meet the King Stallion, the most powerful helicopter in the U.S. military. Today, the Marines are pushing this beast to its absolute limit. Its 7 blades are designed to lift 36,000 pounds effortlessly. Engines at full power, the ground shakes. Liftoff, the beast is airborne. Systems check complete, all green. Roger, lift configuration is go. Final checks passed, ready for heavy lift. Confirmed, ready. Engine 2's temp is spiking, watch the screens. Copy, RPMs are surging, I'm throttling back. Banking left to avoid the heat. Confirmed, level stabilizing, good call. Heading to the pickup zone to retrieve the cargo. Copy that, ETA 2 minutes. Roger that, controls. Maintaining forward speed at 120 knots. Copy. Terrain ahead looks clear for the next 10 miles. Roger. Watch for downdrafts near those buttes. Ground support teams are ready. The payload today is a multi-million-dollar F-35 fighter jet. Specialized slings are attached to the jet's frame. One loose cable could mean disaster. All right, let's tighten this shackle. Go ahead, I'll guide it. Pulling now. Looks good. One more click. Secured. Let's move. The King Stallion moves into position. This is the most dangerous part, the hookup. Grounding rod up. Onto height. Hold steady, disengaging. Contact confirmed, the load is secured. Sling secure, fall back! Copy that, moving! Go, go, we've got this! Applying tension to the cables. Ready to lift. 30,000 pounds lifted like a toy. The power of 3 engines working in unison. Transporting the aircraft to a new location. Pilots must fly smooth to prevent the load from swinging. This capability allows the Marines to move anything, anywhere. Crew chiefs monitor the cargo constantly. Gunner, confirm load stability. Load stable, line secure. Wind picking up, adjust lean. Leaning out, visual on target. Drop in 10, stand by. A delicate turn with a heavy load. Cargo stable, preparing for jet pass. Jet in sight, tilting now. Cargo swaying, adjusting. Jet clear, load stable. Approaching the landing site. Descending slowly. Precision is vital. Touchdown. The package is delivered. Ground crew rushes in to release the load. Mission complete. The King Stallion departs. An incredible display of strength and skill.
That was absolute power. The U.S. Marines never disappoint. Time to gear up for this one. Looking sharp and ready. If you loved this heavy lift, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. Welcome to Rising Story USA, where American innovation takes flight. This is our hub of excellence, powering the next generation of leaders. Join us as we soar to new heights.